audience.
So when the public is invited to this, their input, you guys are gonna be listening to this. The board's gonna be listening to the public's input. Now, I don't mean to be a smart ass here, but, I mean, the public's been giving you their input for quite some time about this whole scenario. And I don't think it's a very popular idea with the public, with the taxpayers. So I mean, like, what's the sense of having this if you're not gonna listen to them? And going on past experience, you're not listening. We've been telling you.
And that's your opinion.
For a
That's
long,
your
it's
opinion.
not just my opinion.
No, yes it is. You're speaking.
How is it my opinion? I took a survey. I went out and talked to people. It's not my opinion, it's a fact.
That's again, it's your opinion.
That's 98.6% of the people we polled. It's a fact, John. Come
That's
on.
what you would, that
You
again.
know? And that was an unbiased survey. Come on, you know what I mean? You're just kind of dancing with this.
And again, it's
Seriously.
an unbiased survey based upon whose information?
Well, you saw the survey, I handed it to you, and there again, what did you do with it? What did you use it for, toilet paper? What the hell did you do with it? You didn't, you don't.
All right.
Look at it. All right.
Anything else?
Yes.
Before we?
There's a lot of uncertainty here.